Hey traders, Michael from Elite Traders University here. So we're looking to see what the pound did last night after our initial analysis. And as we can see, price moved down exactly into that window as we expected. And so my first purchase was in this region here. Took it up, took out a number of pips. Price came down, stopped out our last remaining 3 positions. But we still believed that price was going to move higher on NFPs based on how the banks are trading. So I entered in a number of other positions just in this region here, and as we broke up, entered again in here. Most of my positions were taken out very quickly, plus 10 to plus 15, and then I left one last remaining position in for a larger move. So if we throw on the deal map, here's the initial buys. After we pushed out up for 9 pips on 4, got stopped out of those last 3, entered again, and on the news we took out plus 17 for each of those. As you can see, I entered again at the bottom for plus 8. 1 got stopped out, so just 1 position got stopped out to the pip actually. The rest were in, and as you can see, I took them out there, plus 11, plus 17, and held the last one for plus 83. So if we look at the history from last night, there is our history. So the plus 83, the plus 16 to 17, that stop out, the first stop out on the news, that initial reaction down, which was just a false break, and then a number of other positions as well, which we took out. Those were the 3 that were stopped out as well. But overall, very, very, very good day.